Hello guys, today we will learn some colors. White color, chrome color, yellow color, dark green color, red color, orange color, lemon yellow color, Persian blue color, normal blue color or light blue color, light green color, brown color, black color. So now we will write ABCD. Purple color, A. Orange color, B. Red color, C. Orange color, D. Purple color, E. Red color, F. Purple color, G. Orange color, H. Speak with me. Red color, I. Purple color, J. Red color, K. Orange color, L. Red color, M. Purple color, N. Orange color, O. Red color, P. Orange color, Q. Purple color, R. Red color, S. Orange color, T. Purple color, U. Red color, V. W. Purple color, X. And at last, Y, Z. So repeat with me. A. A for apple. A for ant. Pink color. B. B for banana. B for box. Orange color. C. C for cat. C for cow. Red color. D. D for dog. D for duck. Orange color. E. E for elephant. E for eye. Purple color. F for fish. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. So cute little kids. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. You are my favorite. J for joker. J for joker. My favorite and your favorite. We all love joker. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lion. L for long. M for monkey. M for mango. We all love mango. So, my cute little kids. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen with the king. We all love the queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Purple color. S for sun. Sun for sun. T for tomato. T for toy. T for tomato. T for two. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violet. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree.
Y.
Y for yak. Z for zebra.